Egyptian Aviation Academy, one of the first aviation schools in the world, since 1932. It has a great history and it will continue into a bright future. How would you like to work in an office overlooking this view? This could be your office soon. At Egyptian Aviation Academy your dream will come true. Do you wish to become a pilot? We will offer you one of the best training programs on the most modern airplanes and advanced flight simulators, provided by highly skilled flight instructors, in modern classrooms.
There are 2 programs available for pilots.
If your wish is to become an air traffic controller, join our Air Traffic Controller College, and get trained on a 3D simulator. Become an aircraft maintenance engineer at the Aircraft Maintenance College. Here, you will be trained by highly experienced instructors using the most advanced tools and equipments. Egyptian Aviation Academy also offers you more great opportunities, such as the Civil Aviation Management Training College, Aviation Medical Examiner course, and the English Language course.
For more information or any questions, please contact us. We will be glad to help you.